Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore how AI can be used in our daily lives and how you can use AI to create stunning images from just text. Just search image designer, you'll get a Microsoft designer. Go inside that website and just sign in. You have to sign in to use the tools. You can create whatever type of image you want. It's very helpful for graphic designers and people who think they are not good in art can use this. Now, let's quickly go through how you can create your own images using AI. Type your description. How do you want the image to be? Whatever you type, that type of image will be created. As I want to create a picture of Indian team returning after winning the World Cup. So I'm writing the description of how I want the image to be. After writing the prompt for generating your image, you can press the generate option and it will make the images how you described it. You could clearly see how I described the image to be. It created the image as I described it. I just imagined that after winning the World Cup, Rohit Sharma would be holding the cup and would be standing on the bus and all other fans are cheering. Just download it and you can edit also if you want to. Like you can remove few features, few things which you didn't like from that image, and you can give new objects or new things to that. Try different prompts and see what you can create. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more AI related tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.